name is Esther Salami and you're welcome to Trending Today on the News Chronicle TV. First off, Pogba has officially completed his 18-month ban for doping. He was initially given a sentence of 4 years after an illegal substance was found in his system, but he was able to appeal for 18 months and he has completed 7 those months. He was seen training and is ready to take on his professional football career. Potential clubs for the star include Inter Milan as well as some clubs in Saudi Arabia and France and Russia. Moving on the issue of ban, the House of Reps has ordered the NCC to ban every pornographic website nationwide, as in Nigeria. They of course said that it has a lot of negative impact on society and it was important for us to align with other countries who have also enforced this ban. Natasha, the senator representing Kogi Central, Senator Natasha Akpoti has also taken further actions regarding her case with the current Senate President Godswill Akpabio. She brought the matter to the United Nations meeting, and even the IPU said they were going to look at it from the both parties. And she also said that even she would serve her suspension, but even after the suspension, she was still going to push for the matter. For more stories like this, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com. Like this video, share it with your community, and also make sure you are subscribed to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.